In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Udemy subscription, step by step. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills or dive into a new hobby, a Udemy subscription can provide you with access to a vast library of courses on virtually any topic. Let's get started and make sure you're set up to begin your learning journey. First, you'll want to access the subscriptions page. If you're at your computer, look at the top right corner of the Udemy homepage. You should see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose the subscriptions option. This will take you directly to where you can explore various subscription plans. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can go directly to the personal plan page to see your options quickly. Now that you're on the right page, it's time to choose your subscription plan. Udemy usually offers two main types of subscriptions, monthly and annual. Which one you see might depend on where you're located, as plan availability can vary. Keep an eye out for any free trial offers. This can be a great way to test the service and see if it's right for you before committing to a full subscription. Once you've decided which subscription aligns best with your needs, click on that plan to proceed. Moving forward, you'll need to complete the checkout process. Before you finalize anything, make sure to review your selection. This is your chance to confirm you've chosen the correct plan. As you continue, you'll be asked to enter your payment details. Udemy makes this part convenient by accepting various payment methods, including credit or debit cards and PayPal. Ensure that all your details are accurately entered to avoid any hitches in the process. Once you've filled in your payment information, you're almost there. The final task is to confirm your subscription. Take a moment to double-check everything one last time. After confirming, you should receive a confirmation email from Udemy, which will have the details of your subscription. And with that, you now have a Udemy subscription. You're all set to explore the extensive library of courses available. Whether it's professional development or just indulging in a personal interest, there's so much you can learn at your own pace. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful, and you're excited to embark on this new learning adventure. Don't forget, with a subscription, you'll have the flexibility to explore topics as they pique your interest without having to pay for individual courses. Thanks for joining me today, and happy learning.